Anin Buju band members, today is Tuesday, December 1st. Can you believe it? Before we know it, Christmas will be here. Hope that everyone got a lot of shopping online, and yesterday was Cyber Monday, so hopefully you got your shopping done, or if not, you're still able to do it online and get it delivered to your house. You don't have to go out. I would like to start out today by saying congratulations to Bradley Kelk. He has accepted the position at Grand Casino Hinckley as the general manager. So that's pretty exciting for Brad. Also, I would like to give a shout out to Mike Ingle, who has been serving as the interim general manager at Hinckley, and Chimigwech Mike for always assuming responsibilities throughout the company. And you do it well. So what's I think is also interesting, Brad's past position at Grand Casino Mille was the VP of Operations. So band members, that position will be open and posted. So if you have the qualifications, please apply for the job. It will be pretty cool and nice to see another band member hired at our facilities. The COVID positive cases for the counties, yesterday, Aiken County had 778. Today they have 788. In Crow Wing, yesterday, 3,640, and today is 3,712. Yesterday, 1,570 in Mille, and today, 1,588. Pine County, yesterday, 1,395, and today, 1,416. And band member positive COVID cases on the reservation in District 1. Yesterday it was 42, and today it is 45. In District 2, yesterday there were 10, and today 10. In District 3, yesterday 16, and today is 19. So you can see there's a lot of increases in these cases on the reservation. And if you've been watching the news, according to the Minnesota Department of Health, Minnesota is now considered one of the country's hot spots. And so the CDC and the MDH are talking about a surge within the surge. So that means that a lot of people are contracting the COVID. And so a part of what happens when you are tested positive, there's the contact tracing. And then what we're finding out, there's a lot of social gatherings of parties and unregulated social gatherings. And so that means that with the past holiday Thanksgiving, there's going to be a surge within the surge. And this is having a major impact on the healthcare in the state and on the reservation and of course the United States. And again, if you are tested at a location different from the Niyashin Clinic, please call the nurse line and let them know if you have a positive COVID test. And so if you are sick, please call the nurse line 320-630-0855, and or the clinic is 320-532-4163, and that's extension 2. And then what they're talking about, because they're receiving so many calls, if they do not answer, please leave a message and they will call you back. And so it's a lot of need, a lot of positive cases, a lot of people doing social gatherings, and that's unrelated to work, and they're bringing it to work, to our facilities, and a lot of people are now testing positive. So because of that, the Health and Human Services is coming up with new strategies and trying to make sure that they're meeting the need out there. And so there's been a pop-up clinic in District 2 and more are being planned. And again, they're recommending that you please limit your involvement in interactions with individuals that are not included in your household. Just a recommendation to know that all of these guidelines are there is to really protect our loved ones and our elders and the individuals that are at risk. And so that's, we'll see a few more of these statistics increasing. I don't know if individuals are not feeling that this is going to happen to them, but as we can see that these numbers are increasing, and let's take extra caution, especially during this holiday season. And another reminder regarding the CHAPS program, I talk about that. I've been talking about it daily, that if you're having issues with your mortgage or your rent or anything associated with your mortgage and your rent, association fees, things of that sort, utilities, you have until December 7th to fill out an application. And that again is Tammy Moreland. And that's tammy.moreland@millexband.com. And of course, all of this information will be on the website as well. Interesting information about line 3, the update. Minnesota regulators approved the final permit Monday for Enbridge Energy Line 3 crude oil pipeline replacement across northern Minnesota. And if you remember, we filed suit to try to prevent that from happening. Also, the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency granted a construction storm water permit for the project, which was the last hurdle that Enbridge needed to clear after years of review and court battles. And the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the independent Minnesota Public Utilities Commission gave their final approval this week. So here's a little piece of information on the national level. Congresswoman Deb Haaland, and she's a representative from New Mexico, and she and Sharice Davis were the first Native American women to be elected to the House of Representatives at the federal level. And so now that our president-elect Joe Biden is starting to name his cabinet members, that many of us in Indian country have supported Deb Haaland for the Secretary of Interior, and a lot of letters of support have been sent to the President-elect Joe Biden to consider her, and we really would like her. And as we go on, there will be a lot more candidates coming up, and maybe some other Indian people as well that's interested in a position. So we are waiting and watching to see how he addresses that issue. And that would be historic if he put American Indian in the cabinet. That would be first time in the history of the United States that I'm aware of. And so that's pretty exciting as well. Also, just reminder about the food distribution. And that is tomorrow, December 3rd from 1 to 3 p.m. District 1 and 2 in Mille Southside Convention Center. And District 2 at the Community Center, District 3 at the Grand Hinckley Inn. And then Thursday, for individuals in the urban area, you can go to the urban office, and that's from 1 to 3. And again, if you need assistance to have this delivered, please contact Renee. And that number is 320-632-4988. So with that, I hope you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Miigwech.